Are you looking to optimize your email campaigns on Apollo.io and get the best results for your marketing efforts? Stick with me for the next few minutes, and I'll show you how to take your email outreach to the next level with Apollo.io. Apollo.io is an incredibly powerful tool for lead generation and email marketing. And if you're just getting started, I'm here to help you navigate its features and maximize your email campaign success. First things first, to start optimizing your campaigns, you need to have a clear goal in mind. Apollo.io helps you define that goal by offering detailed insights into your target audience, allowing you to fine-tune your outreach and tailor your messaging for the right people. Whether you're looking for B2B leads or sales conversions, Apollo.io allows you to segment your audience effectively. Once you've set your target, it's time to get familiar with Apollo's email campaign features. Start by utilizing their pre-built email templates, which are a great way to hit the ground running. Apollo.io's templates are designed to drive engagement, so whether you're sending cold emails or following up with existing contacts, they can save you time while ensuring your emails are optimized for open rates and click-throughs. You can also customize these templates to reflect your brand voice. A key feature that sets Apollo.io apart is its ability to automate and personalize emails. Personalization is crucial in email campaigns because it makes the recipient feel like the message is tailored specifically for them. Apollo.io allows you to customize each email with personal details, like their first name, company, or even past interactions, directly within the email body. This is a game changer because personalized emails have significantly higher engagement rates compared to generic ones. But here's a tip. Don't just focus on personalization. Focus on the subject line too, Apollo.io offers a feature that lets you A/B test subject lines to see what resonates best with your audience. You can test multiple subject lines on small batches of contacts, then analyze the results before sending the best performing one to your entire list. This is a simple yet effective way to increase your open rates. Next, Apollo.io has an email tracking feature that's invaluable. After sending your emails, you can monitor metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and responses in real time. This data lets you quickly identify what's working and what isn't, so you can adjust your strategy on the fly. You can even schedule follow-ups based on those interactions, ensuring you never miss an opportunity. And here's something not a lot of people realize. Apollo.io integrates seamlessly with other CRM tools, so you can keep everything synced and organized. This integration makes it easy to manage leads and continue nurturing them through your sales funnel without losing track of your email outreach. Now, to really get the most out of Apollo.io, you'll want to take full advantage of their analytics dashboard. With this feature, you can dive deep into your email campaign performance, track ROI, and pinpoint areas for improvement. It's not just about sending emails, it's about optimizing your strategy with data-driven insights. By continuously testing and refining your campaigns, you'll be able to scale your efforts with confidence. Finally, if you're just starting out, don't forget that Apollo.io offers a free version of the software. In fact, if you click the first link in the description below, you can access an exclusive free trial with added bonuses to help you get started even faster. In conclusion, optimizing your email campaigns on Apollo.io doesn't have to be complicated. With its smart features like customizable templates, personalization, A/B testing, and detailed analytics, you can dramatically improve your email marketing results. Remember, the key to success is targeting the right audience with the right message at the right time, and Apollo.io is built to help you do exactly that. Plus, don't forget to take advantage of the extended free trial and bonuses available through the link below. Start optimizing your email campaigns today and watch your business grow.